when we discuss about women empowerment, typically is we feel empowered when we do some job. Is it so? If you ask me, if you are a housewife also, you are very, very empowered. It is about what you do, you should enjoy. You should take pride in that. Making a home or taking care of the family can be done by women better than men, definitely. In today's scenario, when there are nuclear families, men equally need to take the responsibility. If a wife is, she's working as well as the husband is working, both should take equal responsibility. That is for sure, because now our families are not the joint families like earlier. We don't have somebody back home taking care of the things. So men have to take responsibility, definitely. But at any given point, women are much better to handle anything that is related to your home. And the women who are at home are also empowered. Only thing I think somewhere I feel that government can come up with a policy like financial independence is very crucial. When a woman who is sitting at home feels very weak or not so empowered, because she has to request, she's not financially independent. She has to ask for certain things. There, I think definitely our government can come up with a policy that whatever a man is earning, let us assume that a woman is sitting at home, she is taking care of the house, the family, she is doing tremendous work rather. Back home, it is much more work. And all of you are taking care of both the things. So a policy can be defined that whatever a man is earning after marriage, he has to give a certain percentage. It has to go in his wife's bank account, and there should not be any questioning. That will definitely empower that woman who is sitting at home. That is one thing that really bothers many women, and they feel sometimes helpless to raise certain things because they feel, okay, if I do something, I raise something, I may be deprived of finances. What do I do? So to just bring them out of that thought, there can be a policy from government. I think in recent times, our government has come up with certain policies that they give more interest if you put money in your daughter's name. Likewise, there can be a policy. And I had this opportunity to discuss during the Women 20, G20's Women 20 conference. I could participate in that last year. I could be there in drafting the policy for the G20 from the Women 20 panel. And there also I had spoken about this.